Hi, this is Rhonda with Rhonda's Crafty Chaos, and today we're going to turn these two little, this little wooden box from the Dollar Tree and this little tuna can into a cute little desk organizer. And here's a little pencil holder I made, and we're going to make the rest of it to match. So we're going to take some of this paper from just this book that I got from Michael's, and I've taken the paper out that I want, and then I've got this paper, and it's a textured paper. I'm not quite sure where I got it, but it's pretty cool. We're going to measure on here how wide we need it, and we'll cut us a piece, and then we will get busy decorating. The fun part. I got the two spots marked. I'm just going to give myself an edge to cut. This is kind of hard to, because it's so textured. There we go. I've got it in a cut line there. I'm going to cut just on the other side of it, just to give me a little extra room. Take this sticker off. Okay, this is just going to go right here. I know I need two pieces, so we will cut us one more piece. It doesn't have to be totally even because we are going to sand it on the edges. Just a rough cut. All right. I'm just going to use my glue gun to glue this down. And I'm going to start in the middle, I think, because I want to give this a little, let's see, yeah, okay. I got ahead of myself. I need to cover the front of this so that we can have this cute little paper right here. And it's like, it's curled open, kind of like a lady's vest and shirt. So we're going to cut a piece to go right here before I get going too far and not get it right. Okay. We're just going to put glue on this. And glue this down. Okay. And then we just pull these sides up to about the middle. So we're going to cut or do this one. Push those together. You want it to look as pretty as you can on the back side too. So we're gonna just cut these like right in the middle. Just give them a cut. Okay. So we have them meeting up, but we're gonna cut just a little bit more off because we'll roll these up and make it kind of look like it's an opening there. We'll hurry and get these trimmed up. This texture paper is kind of a tight or a heavier paper, so it's going to take just a little bit to sand it off. Just got a little bit right here. Got this on the top. Okay. We're going to take and we're going to glue it right here, just to right here. We're not going to glue any further than right there, so that we could curl the ends up. Okay, we'll find our little skewer, curl these ends up. See how that's curled up and cute? Okay, so that's our little box, and we're going to put some pearls right up here like it's on her little neck. Kind of make it look like a Victorian style. To glue through the top up here. Let's trim this paper because it's so hard to cut with the sander. That made it really nice. Okay, put just a little bit of glue right here. There we go. That's going to be a lot better. Okay, so we've got their little pearls on. Now we'll put some cute little, I've got these wood roses and then this burlap type rose, but I don't want it quite this big, so I'm just going to tear it apart and just use part of it, just the bud part. That's, and then I'm even going to trim it down just a light bit. Use what you've got. And that's okay. And then we'll use one or two of these. Since they're so big and there's not a whole lot of room, I'll probably just use the two of them. The pink and the cream color. And make a cute little bow with this. Let's stick it. Let's see. I want to put some my, I don't know where I put it. I had a little piece of this ribbon, but I don't think I'm going to have room for it. I'm just going to put some pearls there. Probably just somehow stick them in there. Maybe something like that. That's kind of cute. Trim them up. That's cute. We'll just grunge up the sides a little bit and the flowers. Kind of rub it in spots where it got a little dark. How cute that makes, both of those. Sitting on somebody's desk. This is a cute little idea for a Mother's Day gift. There's that. Okay, now we're going to cover this little can that I have. Let me get some of this junk out of the way. All right, so now we're going to go with the same little theme as we got going here. Get that little tip of that paper. That's cute. Okay, we're going to use this and do around it. First I need to put the little piece of paper right there. So we'll just cut that off. This is for like the shirt. I'm gonna have it flush with the top up there. Just put a little glue down. Off there. Okay, so we got that part. And we're gonna about right there. This works out so fast and easy. Just right there. We got it going ski-wampus, so we're going to trim it up. Get in there. Man, this paper's so stiff. Okay, now we'll do the bottom. It rolled away. Retrieve it. There we go. All right, so we'll curl up the little ends. Worked with this thick paper before. I didn't realize how thick it was. Scissors don't want to cut it, but it looks cute. It almost looks like leather, a leathery type. I think I'm going to, before I put it all together, do the little edging here. I stick the flowers on it. Here's the little flower. We're probably only going to do one on this one right here. Trim. Little flower that kind of got a petal was going crazy. So kind of push that down. Yeah. smash it. Still have it look okay. It's not quite sticking out there so far. Let me see if I can cut some of this stuff off the back. Yeah, that's a lot better. Good grief, this is a mess. All right, let me get some more glue in there to make sure it's gonna stay on there. Grunge up the sides. Grunge up the flower, put some little string of beads on it. Got to put a string across the top there, where I have the other ones have it. Okay. A little streamer. I don't know if that even needs it because it needs a little bit of the pink flower. Maybe I can make a cute little flower just out of this part that I took off. Do one of those roll flowers and see if we can do that. Just take it and just roll. Yeah, that will work. Yay. Yeah, it needed a little bit of pink on there, so there's that cute little bit of pink. And then we'll put this over on the other side. Move this stuff out of the way. I'll show you how cute this whole little set is. How cute. The whole little set. Somebody could put that on their desk, have that for Mother's Day. Isn't that just so stinking cute? So just remember, it's all I just had these in my stash. I'm not even sure where I got the little wooden flowers. I know you can get them for $5 or $6 at Michael's. And these I got at Target Dollar Spot about 5 years ago. I had these big burlap type flowers. And so it's just basically what I had in my stash in 2 empty cans. And they could put their paper clips in here and their pencils in here and notebooks or something in here. I just think that's just a cute little idea. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much.